Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have an approved AdSense account and the verification meta tag or TXT value. Open WordPress now. First, make a quick backup of header, PHP, or enable a child theme so edits are reversible. Then navigate to Appearance right arrow theme file editor or install a header insertion plugin if you prefer no code. Once there, choose Header, PHP, or the plugin's header section to prepare for insertion. You're about to paste the exact AdSense meta tag into the head area. With Header, PHP, or the header plugin open, find the head block. This is where AdSense looks for verification. Paste the provided Google meta tag exactly once, making sure it sits before the closing/head tag so themes and plugins don't remove it. Save or update the file, then clear all caches, site cache, plugin cache, and CDN, because stale HTML can prevent Google from seeing the new tag. Finally, leave the tab open to return for verification. After saving and clearing caches, go back to your AdSense account and click Verify. If it doesn't verify immediately, wait up to 24 hours for DNS and cache propagation. Sometimes verification is instant, sometimes delayed. If it fails, make sure there's no duplicate meta tag, no security plugin stripping meta tags, and no CDN serving old HTML. If you accidentally broke the header, restore your backup via FTP or the child theme. One key tip: disable caching temporarily while verifying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.